Lenovo docking stations are external devices that expand your laptop's connectivity. They allow you to connect multiple peripherals like monitors, keyboards, and Ethernet cables through a single USB-C or Thunderbolt port. This eliminates cable clutter and provides a desktop-like experience with your laptop. Your laptop must support USB-C or Thunderbolt to connect to Lenovo docking stations. Common ports include HDMI and DisplayPort for connecting monitors up to 4K resolution, USB-A and USB-C ports for peripherals, Ethernet for fast wired internet up to 2.5 Gbps, and audio jacks with SD card slots. Lenovo docking stations work best with ThinkPad laptops, but are compatible with other brands when using appropriate adapters. A critical feature is power delivery, which charges your laptop up to 100 watts and supports fast charging protocols. Carefully unbox the Lenovo docking station, ensuring you have the dock itself, the power adapter, and the necessary USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Verify that all components are present. This includes the docking station, power adapter, and the appropriate cable. Check the serial number and warranty information on the label. Note the machine type and serial number for reference. Make sure to use the correct cable to prevent data loss. Thunderbolt cables support higher speeds and are recommended for full functionality. To power the docking station, connect the provided AC adapter to the dock first. Then plug it into a power outlet. Look for the power indicator light on the docking station to illuminate, indicating it is powered on. Make sure the docking station has enough ventilation around it to avoid overheating. Now for step 3. Connecting to your laptop. Plug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable into the corresponding port on your Lenovo laptop. A secure connection is crucial for optimal performance. For Thunderbolt docks, always use a certified cable. Now connect your peripherals to the appropriate ports on the docking station. Start with monitors, where you can connect up to 3 displays using daisy chain technology. Daisy chaining allows multiple monitors to connect in series, simplifying your setup. Use DisplayPort or HDMI cables that support the resolutions you need. For other peripherals, connect your keyboard and mouse to USB ports and plug in your Ethernet cable for wired internet. Always ensure cables are compatible with your devices. Download Lenovo Vantage from the official Lenovo website. This software provides automated setup wizards and over-the-air firmware updates. Once downloaded, run the installer to set up Lenovo Vantage on your laptop. The application will automatically detect your docking station and connected peripherals, then install necessary drivers and firmware updates. Keeping drivers up to date ensures optimal performance, stability, and compatibility with your setup. Power on your laptop. The connected displays should be automatically detected by the system, providing immediate visual confirmation that the docking station is working. If any issues arise, such as no video output, restart your laptop to refresh the connection. Update your laptop's BIOS through the manufacturer's website to ensure compatibility. Double-check all cable connections, including the dock's power and USB-C cable to the laptop. Configure multiple monitor settings in your operating system's display settings. Arrange monitors, set resolutions, and ensure proper orientation. For quick access, use common hotkeys like FN plus F7 to cycle through display configurations.